I try and eat as much high welfare meat as I can, such as free range and organic, as I believe if something is going to die for me to eat it, it should be treated with respect and care. What is your outlook on animal welfare, and are there benefits of high welfare versus low welfare meat sources?
Benefits? Yeah, definitely. I mean, we agree with you.
Grass-fed cattle
grass-fed
are roaming around. They're not stuck in a little box like this where they're not going to get into it, but they can't move. And that's more humane, where the animals are actually out feeding, they're out getting air, got sunlight coming down on them.
Right, definitely
Same with free-range chickens. Chickens are out running around doing their thing. From a health perspective, if the foods that you're eating, if they're not eating what they were intended to eat, that's being passed on to you. So what I mean by that is when you eat meat that's been eating grains and soy and corn, the farmers are feeding them that because that fattens them up quickly. And they're also pumping them full of hormones that then when you eat that gets passed on to you. We eat grass-fed, we eat free range, and we're in organic, and we do it because we do want to make sure that the animals that we're eating, just like you said, they're being treated well. But there's a health benefit there as well, like better sources of fat, so CLA, omega-3s in grass-fed beef versus grain-fed. They don't have that because they're not eating the stuff that they should be eating, and the foods they should be eating.
And I do think that there is a flavor difference too.
Definitely.
Like, have you guys ever had homegrown tomatoes versus store-bought tomatoes?
Yeah.
It's like night and day. I feel like it's the same thing with meat and eggs. Like, you can actually taste the difference between organic grass-fed steak and not,
And like eggs, well, crack the shell.
Yeah, the shell, like, strength is different.
Big time. Like, you crack a conventional egg and it's like you could blow on it and it would just shatter. And then you take a organic one and you crack it and you got to like really beat on it. So just, think about those things, guys. Like, it's worth the money. Find the money, save the money, put it towards your food as opposed to buying a Ferrari.
Yeah.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.